Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code DTC P0455 indicates a significant leak in the evaporative emission EVAP system of the Honda Accord, particularly from the K24W1 engine type manufactured between 2012 and 2017. The EVAP system is crucial for capturing fuel vapors emitted from the fuel tank and preventing them from escaping into the atmosphere. This system employs the engine-off natural vacuum (EONV) method to monitor fuel tank pressure using the fuel tank pressure (FTP) sensor when the engine is off. It differentiates between acceptable leak sizes as small as 0.02 inches and larger leaks up to 0.09 inches. When the PCM, Powertrain Control Module, detects a leak above the normal range, it triggers the P0455 code, requiring further investigation and diagnostic procedures to locate the leak and rectify the issue. In summary, DTC P0455 points to a large leak within the EVAP system of the Honda Accord from 2012 to 2017 and requires careful analysis and troubleshooting to resolve effectively. Understanding the role of the EVAP components, such as the canister, purge valve, and FTP sensor, is fundamental for accurate diagnosis. Thorough testing and observation, including adhering to specific temperature and pressure conditions, form the backbone of the troubleshooting process. Regular maintenance checks can help avoid such issues in the future, ensuring the longevity and reliability of the vehicle. Properly addressing this DTC not only restores functionality, but also contributes to environmentally conscious driving practices. The P0455 error pertains to the malfunction in the EVAP system, specifically where there's a significant leak detected. Key components involved include the EVAP canister, which captures fuel vapors, the EVAP canister purge valve, which controls vapor flow to the engine for combustion, and the FTP sensor, which measures the pressure in the fuel tank. The FTP sensor, located on the top of the fuel tank, continuously monitors changes in fuel tank pressure to identify leaks. If the pressure readings deviate from expected values, it signals the PCM to engage the diagnostic routines, leading to the P0455 code being triggered. The canister vent shut valve also plays a critical role in managing the vapors during operation, and any malfunction here could contribute to the triggering of this DTC. Several potential causes can lead to the P0455 error code appearing in the Honda Accord. First and foremost, an EVAP system leak usually arises from failures in components like the EVAP canister, which can crack or break down over time. Additionally, the EVAP canister purge valve may be stuck open or malfunctioning, leading to improper vapor flow and detecting erroneous leak levels. Another possible cause is a defective FTP sensor that fails to provide accurate pressure readings to the PCM, thereby incorrectly identifying a leak. Other causes not mentioned explicitly, such as hoses and connection leaks, could also contribute to the same problem, highlighting the need for thorough inspection of the entire EVAP system. Identifying the symptoms associated with DTC P0455 is crucial for timely diagnosis and repair. The most noticeable sign is the illumination of the check engine light, CEL, on the dashboard, prompting the driver to check for vehicle malfunctions. Additionally, drivers might experience poor fuel efficiency due to misplaced fuel vapors that disrupt the engine's normal combustion processes. This can also lead to increased emissions, as unburned fuel vapors may escape into the atmosphere. In some cases, the vehicle may show signs of rough idling or stalling, particularly if the EVAP system is unable to manage vapor properly, leading to irregular fuel-air mixtures in the engine. The first step in troubleshooting the P0455 code is to ensure the vehicle is in the proper operating conditions. It is essential to confirm that the engine coolant temperature, as detected by the engine coolant temperature (ECT) sensor, and intake air temperature from the intake air temperature (IAT) sensor are within their designated range. This aids in accurate diagnosis. After this check, start the engine to begin the troubleshooting process. This step sets the foundation for proceeding to the next diagnostic phase, where the functionality of the EVAP system can be more closely observed while the vehicle is under operating conditions. Maintaining these optimum conditions throughout the diagnostic steps is vital for accurate results. Following the initial setup, the next step involves driving the vehicle at a speed between 25 and 75 miles per hour. This driving condition must be maintained for at least 23 minutes to ensure that the PCM can effectively monitor the fuel tank pressure and identify any potential leaks within the EVAP system. The driving cycle helps develop stable temperature and pressure conditions necessary for accurate leak detection. It is crucial to comply with these guidelines to prevent erroneous readings, which could lead to unnecessary repairs or misdiagnosis. Once completed, the vehicle should be allowed to rest before checking for any DTCs stored by the PCM. After driving the vehicle under specified conditions, the next step is to turn the ignition switch to the lock position, or select the off mode if equipped with a push-button start. Following this, the vehicle must remain in this state for a minimum of 37 minutes. This waiting period allows the EONV method to execute, enabling the PCM to monitor fuel tank pressure for detecting the presence of any leaks accurately. Once this period is over, connect the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to perform the EVAP test within the inspection menu. Executing this diagnostic test will either confirm the integrity of the EVAP system or reveal any further complications needing attention. Once any necessary repairs or replacements have been made, it is crucial to verify that the repairs have been successful. Begin this verification process by using the HDS to clear the diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, from the PCM. This action resets the system and allows for a fresh diagnostic session. Next, take the vehicle for a test drive under various conditions to ensure that it operates normally without the reappearance of any codes. Observing the vehicle's performance during this test is vital to confirm that all components are functioning properly and that the issue has been resolved. Confirming normal operation not only alleviates immediate concerns, but also enhances the vehicle's reliability in the long term. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0455 or similar EVAP system issues, regular maintenance is imperative. Schedule periodic inspections of the EVAP system to check for signs of wear or damage, especially focusing on components such as the canister and purge valve. Another crucial practice is to ensure that the fuel cap is secured tightly and is not damaged, as a loose or malfunctioning cap can lead to false leak detections. Furthermore, be vigilant for any fuel odors which could indicate a leak in the system. Addressing these observations promptly can help mitigate any potential problems that could amplify into significant repair needs down the line. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!